Everyone wants to start a tech startup, build an app, create the next billion-dollar company. But here is what the data actually shows. The 5 most profitable businesses in America are boring. So boring that almost nobody talks about them. So boring that most people walk past them every single day without noticing. And according to SBA data, they have created more millionaires than all the tech startups combined. Let me show you the numbers. Business 1. Laundromats. The average laundromat generates $200,000 in annual revenue. Profit margin is 35 to 50%. That's $70,000 to $100,000 in pure profit every single year. Startup cost is $200,000 to $300,000. That means you recover your investment in 3 to 4 years, and then you are printing money. How many laundromats do you need to own to be a millionaire? 5, maybe 6. Most tech startups fail within 5 years. Laundromats have a 90% survival rate. Business 2. Vending machines. A single vending machine costs $3,000 to $5,000. One machine generates $50 to $100 a day in revenue. That's $15,000 to $36,000 a year from a single machine. Profit margin is 20 to 35%, depending on product. That's $3,000 to $12,000 in annual profit per machine. Own 100 vending machines and you are making $300,000 to $1.2 million in annual profit. Most people don't even consider this because it sounds too simple. Business 3. Car wash. Average car wash generates $300,000 to $500,000 in annual revenue. Profit margin is 40 to 60%. That's $120,000 to $300,000 in annual profit. Startup cost is $250,000 to $500,000. You break even in 2 to 4 years, and then you own an asset that generates 6 figures in profit every single year for the next 20 years. Business 4. Storage units. Self-storage facilities have 95% occupancy rates. Revenue per unit is $100 to $300 a month. With 100 units, that's $10,000 to $30,000 a month in revenue. Profit margin after maintenance and overhead is 40 to 50%. That's $4,000 to $15,000 a month in pure profit. That's $50,000 to $180,000 a year from storage units. Business 5. Appliance repair. Startup cost is less than $10,000. You buy tools and a van. You get certified in appliance repair. Service calls are $150 to $300 each. The average appliance repair business owner does 10 to 15 service calls a week. That's $1,500 to $4,500 in revenue a week. Profit margin is 60 to 70%. That's $900 to $3,000 a week in profit. That's $46,000 to $156,000 a year. The pattern: all 5 of these businesses share something in common. They're boring. Nobody wants to talk about them at parties. Nobody gets excited about owning a laundromat. But boring is profitable. Boring is reliable. Boring builds wealth. According to SBA data, small business owners in these 5 categories project 8 to 12% growth in 2026. That's higher than any tech sector. So here is the question. Do you want to chase the exciting startup dream that has a 90% failure rate? Or do you want to build real wealth in a boring business that has a 90% success rate? The choice is yours, but the data is clear.